All right, what we got going on today?
Okay, we've greased an 8x8 baking sheet. I'm going to set it aside. We are going to take 1 2/3 cups of oatmeal. Put it in our bowl. 3/4 cup of sweetened coconut. Half, there's another 1/4. Okay, a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. A pinch of salt. I'm not really sure why they need a pinch of salt, but we'll put it in there.
Just that little
and
bit.
a stick of melted butter. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up first before I put my melted butter in there.
That's smart.
Make sure. This is gonna be our crust for the dish.
Okay, we're making dulce de leche bars.
Okay, there's our stick of butter. It's all mixed up good.
Okay.
So I've got a little 1/4 measuring cup out here, and I'm gonna stop. Okay. Now you're going to take your 8x8.
Okay.
And you're going to dump your mixture in here. And we're going to press it down.
Nice firm press. All right, it's starting to look good.
Okay, we've got it all packed to the bottom. Now you're going to take 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're going to spread them over there. We've got our chocolate. Spread them out. We're going to take a can of
Dulce de leche.
Okay. Speaker. And it says you just kind of move it or put it around in it because you can't really spread this.
Yeah, it's pretty thick. It's like a caramel. You say caramel or caramel?
I say caramel. Caramel.
Caramel.
Everybody
caramel.
says it different.
Yeah.
It's delicious. I do know that.
Thing is, however your mama says it, you say it that way.
Depends on how south you go.
Yeah.
Or how north. Okay, now, the key to this is spray your spatula with a little bit of cooking spray.
Yes, so we did spray it down. That helped a lot.
Oh,
with
it did.
spreading
Look
it
at that.
around.
Yes. That looks so much better.
Finally had a good idea in the kitchen.
Yes. Now, we're going to take that 1/4 cup that we had left.
Oh, yes.
And we're going to sprinkle it over the top of it.
All right.
Oh, this is going to be good.
I can't wait to try it.
And we're going to bake this for about 30 minutes. And then you let it cool and you can cut it into bars.
All right.
Okay? Here we go to the oven. 350 for 30 minutes. Oh, that looks good.
Looks so good.
Cut it open and see that chocolate in there.
We got dulce de leche.
Oh, looking good. You have to give me a little. You hear that little crunch? Caramels. Let me go with this one.
Yum, look at that.
Oh, look. That smells delicious.
Looks great.
Okay. I'll take a little bite.
Oh, yeah.
That's really good.